Welcome to Nibblewell Foods. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step guide on how to temper dark chocolate. Let's begin by chopping the dark chocolate into small, uniform pieces to ensure it melts evenly. Next, fill a pot with a few inches of water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Place a heat-proof bowl over the pot, making sure the bottom doesn't touch the water. Add 2/3 of your chopped chocolate to the bowl and stir occasionally until completely melted. If you're using a candy thermometer, you'll want to melt the chocolate until it reaches between 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures that all cocoa butter crystals are melted. Once melted, remove the bowl from the heat and add the remaining 1/3 of chopped chocolate. Stir continuously until all the chocolate melts and the mixture is smooth. Cool the chocolate down to around 82 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the optimal temperature for tempering dark chocolate. To test if the chocolate is properly tempered, dip a clean spoon into the chocolate and place it in the refrigerator for a few minutes. It should set firmly and have a glossy appearance. Now your dark chocolate is ready to use for coating truffles, dipping fruit, or any other application. If not using immediately, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. Remember, avoid overheating the chocolate, stir gently and consistently, and if the chocolate thickens, you can gently reheat it. Now you're ready to temper dark chocolate like a pro. Enjoy creating beautifully shiny and perfectly textured chocolate treats.